This is part of a series of motivational videos to enhance your ability to manifest desired outcomes and empower your subconscious mind for personal growth using neurographic art. By consciously inserting these positive intentions into your neurographic art creation process, you will unlock the potential to establish a profound connection with your subconscious mind. This connection serves as a powerful tool for nurturing personal growth and facilitating the manifestation of your desired outcomes. Through this deliberate integration of positive intentions, you will tap into the innate power of your subconscious mind, allowing it to align with your aspirations and pave the way for transformative personal development. Success is not an easy path. It is a journey that demands persistence, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to keep moving forward, regardless of the challenges and setbacks encountered along the way. While it may be tempting to believe in overnight success stories, the reality is that true success is built on a foundation of perseverance. Persistence is the fuel that keeps us going when the initial excitement fades and the road becomes rocky. It is the unwavering determination to stay committed to our goals and dreams, despite the difficulties we may encounter. When obstacles arise, it is the persistence within us that enables us to rise above them and find alternative routes to success. Many renowned individuals who have achieved remarkable feats will attest to the role persistence played in their journeys. From inventors who failed countless times before their breakthroughs to entrepreneurs who faced rejection after rejection before securing their first deal, their stories illustrate the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. Persistence is not only about continuing to take action, but also about learning from failures and setbacks. It is about viewing these experiences as valuable lessons rather than insurmountable roadblocks. With each setback, we gain knowledge, refine our strategies, and grow stronger. Persistence allows us to bounce back from failure, adjust our approach, and move forward with renewed determination. To cultivate persistence, it is crucial to maintain a clear vision of our goals. When we have a clear understanding of what we want to achieve, it becomes easier to stay focused and motivated. Setting smaller milestones along the way can provide a sense of progress and keep us motivated in the face of long-term goals. Surrounding ourselves with a support system that believes in us and our aspirations can also bolster our persistence. Whether it is friends, family, mentors, or like-minded individuals, having a network of support can provide encouragement, advice, and accountability during challenging times. They can remind us of our potential, offer guidance, and help us stay committed to our journey. It is important to remember that persistence does not imply blindly pushing forward without reflection or adjustment. It requires adaptability and a willingness to reassess our strategies and approaches when necessary. Sometimes, persistence means being flexible and open to new ideas or alternative paths to success. In conclusion, success is not an overnight phenomenon. It demands persistence, a refusal to give up, and the ability to learn from failures and setbacks. Embracing persistence allows us to stay committed to our goals, navigate obstacles, and ultimately achieve success. By viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and maintaining a clear vision, we can cultivate the resilience and determination needed to persist in the pursuit of our dreams. So, keep pushing forward, stay resilient, and let your unwavering persistence be the catalyst that propels you toward the success you seek. As I draw, I pay attention while rounding off the sharp corners, allowing new connections to form and energize my goals. I perceive this as a flow of energy that leads to problem solving and strengthens my resolve. By repeating positive affirmations, I communicate with my subconscious, creating new neural pathways in my brain, promoting neuroplasticity. This technique empowers me to rewire my mind, making my objectives a reality. Apply this same technique to every circle in your artwork. This will inject each circle with a unique significance, serving as a visual reminder when you display the artwork on the wall. By repeating the positive affirmations when viewing the piece, you can further reinforce the neural pathways associated with your goals, promoting their realization. When we focus on positive thoughts while rounding off corners, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to reduce stress and promote healing. This is because positive thoughts release chemicals like serotonin and dopamine in the brain, which can help to counteract the negative effects of stress hormones like cortisol. In addition, when we engage in the act of rounding off corners, we are activating different parts of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. By practicing neurographic art regularly, we can strengthen these neural pathways and create new habits of positive thinking and emotional regulation. Over time, these new habits can have a profound impact on our overall well-being, as research has shown that our thoughts and emotions play a significant role in our physical health. By focusing on positive thoughts and engaging in practices like neurographic art and mindfulness, we can create a positive feedback loop that promotes healing and well-being in both our minds and bodies.